Krietz Auto. Friday means Jeans Day, and we've got a 2016 Ram 1500 Bighorn for you today. You're going to notice the special chrome grille. Moving around this beautiful vehicle, it's a 4x4 crew cab. You see the chrome detailing on the handles. It is a lifted vehicle. I'll tell you more about that in a minute. We've got the Bighorn badging, chrome bumper, nice bed with a built-in bed liner. Down here, you're going to notice the fuel wheels and the Nitto Ridge Grappler tires that Marissa from our Krietz Customs team will tell you more about here in a minute. You'll notice the chrome step up on the way to the inside. Can't wait to show you more. Hey there, welcome to the inside of the 2016 Ram 1500 Bighorn. We're super excited about this vehicle. We have the premium black and diesel gray cloth bucket seats, which are super nice. A big 5-inch touchscreen that you can see the navigation and rear view camera when you need to employ that. A nice leather steering wheel. And then a really neat feature, which is a double center console. Has two little compartments, that way you can separate out some of your necessities. This is really a vehicle you should see in person. Come on down or give us a call. Hey again, thanks so much for watching the video. If you're interested in learning more about this vehicle, give us a call at 301-694-4642 or visit us at KrietzAuto.com.